News that's coming in at the moment. Senior BJP leader Gyandev Ahuja has made a controversial comment with regards to the landslide that took place in Wayanad. He said cow slaughter takes place in Kerala and that's the reason why this tragedy has happened in Wayanad. Gyandev Ahuja said cow slaughter happens in Kerala, hence the tragedy happened in Wayanad. Wherever cows will be killed, there will be a natural tragedy that will occur there. Tragedies have been happening in Kerala continuously since 2018. If cow slaughter is not stopped, incidents like these will keep on happening. Wherever cows are killed in India, similar conditions will occur. Incidents happen every day in Himachal and in Uttarakhand. Cloudbursts happen, but there is no situation like Wayanad.
जहाँ गौवंश की हत्या होगी, गाय का खून असमय गिरेगा, भारत का गौवंश, वहाँ जर्जरे आएंगे, भूकंप आएंगे, तूफान आएंगे, भूकंप आएंगे। तो केरल की दुर्गति 2018 से चल रही है, कभी मलप्पुरम जिला, कभी वायनाड, कभी त्रिवेंद्रम और बाकी जिलों में। केदारनाथ द्वीप पर बहुत बड़ा जलजला आया, जनहानि नहीं हुई और भगवान शिव का जो शिवालय और शिवलिंग एक चट्टान गाने पर बच गया। तो लैंडस्लाइड वहाँ भी होती है, मातर वहाँ भी पड़ते हैं, लेकिन वहाँ इतनी बड़ी जनहानि नहीं होती। केरल में क्यों हुई, उसका कारण मैंने आपको बता दिया। एक विषय।
My colleague Devankur is now joining me on the story from Jaipur. Dev, this really is a big controversial statement which has been made, especially given the fact that even as the statement has come in, simultaneously rescue operations are taking place in Wayanad and unfortunately the death toll is only increasing.
Well, Aishwarya, not only controversial, it's rather a bizarre statement coming from a BJP leader, a former MLA, but perhaps he's known to make these kind of, rather ridiculous statements in a bid to stay relevant. You may remember that he had mentioned earlier that there are, condoms that can be found at the Jawaharlal Nehru University in Delhi. And in the past, on several occasions, he has been known to make such remarks, perhaps in a bit to, gain limelight, to stay relevant. The tragedy in Wayanad, the landslide tragedy, is a massive one, and one which should have, attracted empathy and sympathy from leaders of the ruling party. But rather than that, this kind of a statement should be criticized and, admonished by senior leaders of the BJP, which perhaps has not happened so far. Aishwarya?
Thank you, Devankur, for giving us all those details. Controversial statement coming in from a BJP leader with regards to the massive landslide that took place in Wayanad.